Hello and welcome to Cooking Lessons for Dad. My name is Karen Breyer and this is my dad Don. And today we are making a delicious roasted chicken and red potatoes. Does that sound good or what?
Sounds great.
Yeah, and it's really easy to make too. So the ingredients in this recipe are 1.5 to 2 pounds of skinless broiler fryer chicken pieces, red potatoes, dried basil, dried thyme, garlic salt, and olive or vegetable oil. Not many ingredients, huh?
No, looks simple.
So the first thing that we need to do is preheat the oven to 375 degrees, and I already did that. Next, we're going to go ahead and arrange our chicken in a 13 by 9 by 2 inch pan. So we have 1.5 to 2 pounds of chicken, and if you wonder what broiler fryer chicken pieces are, that's a more tender, younger chicken that will be perfect for this recipe. So I just went to the meat counter and asked them for it, and they gave it to me. And they took the skin off and everything.
Sounds good.
So that's easy. The easiest way to get it is just ask them. So we're just going to arrange the chicken in our pan. Okay, so we just have them arranged in the pan, and next we're gonna cut our potatoes and put them in between the chicken. So we have 1 to 1.5 pounds of red potatoes, and I have like 1 1/4, and we need to cut them into quarters or eighths depending on how big they are. The bigger ones will probably cut in eighths, so just cut them in half, and then and if you want, you could cut a couple. Okay, so we want to go ahead and put them in between the chicken pieces. You can just help me kind of put them in between. They might have to put some on top. We're loaded up with chicken and potatoes. So next we're going to mix our herbs and spices together. We have 2 teaspoons of dried basil. We'll just put them all in this dish and mix them together. And 1/2 teaspoon of thyme. And then 1 teaspoon of garlic salt. And then we got 2 tablespoons of olive oil, but you could use a vegetable oil too. So we'll just get 2 tablespoons. Okay, and then we're just gonna go ahead and mix it together. Oh, it smells good. Can you smell? Smell the herbs?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so we're just going to mix this together. Okay, so next we can go ahead and we can either drizzle this over the chicken or brush it. I think it would be easier to brush it, just get it on, especially on the chicken. You can just brush some around. Okay, so next we're going to go ahead and cover this with foil. Got a piece of foil, and we're going to bake it for 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes we're going to turn the chicken and the potato pieces over and cook it a little bit longer. So we'll go put it in the oven next. Okay. And I'm going to set the timer for 30 minutes and we'll come back and turn them over. Okay, so it's been 30 minutes and we're going to take off the foil. You can see it's cooking, and we're going to turn over all the potatoes and the chicken. And then we're going to cook it about 20 to 30 more minutes until the chicken is cooked, and when we cut one of the big pieces in the middle, that it runs clear with the juice. No pink left. Okay, so I turned all the chicken potatoes over. We're gonna cook it 20 to 30 more minutes. I'm thinking it only needs about 20 more minutes, but we'll check it. Okay, we'll be back in 20 minutes. Okay, so it's been 20 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and take the chicken and potatoes out of the oven. It smells really good. And it looks really done. I'm gonna cut one of the thicker pieces and make sure the juice comes out and it's fine. In fact, I think these could have come out a little bit sooner. So let's go try them. Okay, our roasted chicken and red potatoes are finished and it smells amazing. So, are you ready to try it?
I'm ready.
Let me go ahead and put this on a platter first. Okay, so here's our roasted chicken and red potatoes. We have a lot of potatoes, so I put the extra ones on the side. Are you ready to try it?
I'm ready.
Okay. It's nice and tender and falling apart. Give you some potatoes. And if you want to add a little extra salt and pepper, you can. We got salt and pepper, you could. Okay. This was really easy. Only a few ingredients. You think you could make this?
Oh, sure.
Yeah.
Yep.
It's gonna be delicious too. If you could make some leftovers. You could save some chicken for sandwiches too if you make a lot at once.
Sure.
Okay, you ready to try? This tastes amazing. You're gonna love it. They're so good, yeah. I'd add a little salt, even a little pepper. Would be good.
Yep.
Okay. Really easy. Try it this week. Let me know how it turns out. Bye.